Find or read reviews that people are talking about Ancel Bd320 OBD2 Scanner. Unlock advanced diagnostics for VW series with Ancel Bd320. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Are you tired of struggling with generic diagnostic tools that don't quite meet the needs of your Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, or Seat vehicle? Say hello to the Ancel Bd320 OBD2 Scanner, the newest specialized diagnostic tool tailored specifically for VW series cars. This advanced scanner combines Bluetooth and wired modes for seamless connectivity and comprehensive diagnostics. With the Ancel Bd320, you can enjoy full system diagnostics for your VW series vehicle, including Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, Seat, Bentley, Lamborghini, and more. From engine to transmission, ABS to electronic parking brake, this scanner covers it all. Plus, it offers specialized reset functions such as service oil reset, throttle matching, EPB reset, and brake pad replacement, ensuring your vehicle stays in top condition. Forget about those pesky service due and inspection due messages, the Ancel Bd320 can clear them with ease, saving you time and money on unnecessary trips to the dealership. It also helps with electronic parking brake activation/deactivation, brake pad replacement, throttle matching, and more, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Compatible with a wide range of VW series vehicles, including Golf, Jetta, Passat, Tiguan, Audi A1, A3, A4, A5, Skoda Mingrui, Speed, Seat Ibiza, Leon, and more. The Ancel Bd320 is your go-to diagnostic tool for all your VW series needs. Plus, with its general OBD2 scanner functions, it's suitable for all 12-volt vehicles manufactured after 1996, making it a versatile tool for any car owner. Experience the power of advanced diagnostics with the Ancel Bd320 OBD2 Scanner. Take control of your vehicle's health and ensure peace of mind on every drive. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.